I got another package. Alright, as you can see, I got a package from Instagram. And I just decided to do a video really quick, just to kind of share this moment. Share this special moment. I thought it would be cool to make a video of like the unboxing and stuff of this. So let's see what's in here. Alright, so there's this kind of like finger groove thing, which is kind of cool, and it's all perforated. Perforated? Whatever, you know, like how toilet paper is, like with those lines. Ah, no, I creased it. It looked so nice. Oh, sweet. Oh, that's so cool. Stay down. As you can kind of see, there's a pretty good amount of stuff in here. So these 4 pieces open up. And then on this half, it says, "Hi ambassadors, here's a little something to set your 2020 off to the right start. Your friends at Instagram." Sweet. Here are all the things that are in there, and each side says a different thing. So right here it says a reusable coffee cup. Oh, that's upside down. A cool pencil set right there, and then a mindfulness coloring book. Ooh. Okay. Well, let's check out each thing. Okay, let's start off. What did we start off? Reusable. What? That is so cool. What? Look how tiny that is. Come on. Focus. Focus. What? I'm a product design major, so I like geek out about this stuff, like when things are designed super interestingly. Oh, it twists. Okay. You just pop it out. Oh. Okay, ready? Oh. Look. What? And then this piece just slides over it like that. This. There you go, like that. And then you fill up your drink. And you just fill up your drink and then take it to go. ASMR. And then when you're done, you just like. Oh wait, I think. Okay, wait. You have to have it open, or else the air's gonna get trapped. You just do a magic trick. You're like, watch this. There. What? I've always seen. Okay, I could literally play with this all day. I've seen a lot of these like types of telescoping drinks or not drinks, telescoping drinks. How would that even work? Telescoping mugs and stuff, so then you can like travel with it, which is pretty cool. Okay, and then we have, oh, this is so nice. This feels so good. It says, I don't know if you can read this. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but it says this book is climate neutral, which is pretty cool because it means that Instagram is taking the time to like make sure that whatever they send people and whatever they're doing is as sustainable as they can make it. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and it's literally, yeah, when it said mindful coloring book, it's literally just like coloring pages, and then these pages are empty so that you could do whatever you want with them. That's pretty cool. And then it also came with Color pencils. Just look like Wolverine. Okay, what is that sound? I really hope that you guys can't hear that. Wait, why is it blurry? We're just like with Wolverine claws, you know? I used to think that I was Wolverine when I was younger. Anyways, the main thing about this video wasn't just to like share this moment and open up this package with you, but it's also to kind of talk about this. Create, don't hate. Now it's a hashtag on Instagram that has a lot of meaning behind it. And obviously, as I mean, a lot of us will know, Instagram is definitely a big platform, a very powerful platform that can be used in many different ways, whether that's positive or unfortunately negative also, right? With that hashtag, create, don't hate, it's basically bringing to surface the fact that everyone is creating and putting out content that they themselves feel passionate about, and they have a lot of feelings towards, or it means a lot to them, right? Everyone should be able to share those things that mean a lot to them without having to worry about what people think of it, you know? So being able to create and not hate, creating for the fun of creating, and not trying to put people down or degrade others for doing something that they love, and creating something that they love and love doing. So that was like a big part of this video, is talking about that. I made this video to kind of encourage you to use social media and other platforms, such as Instagram and stuff, to express yourself, but also at the same time, not put down others for expressing themselves. So I think that's really key in just ensuring that everyone is happy about what they're doing, and feel free to do what they want to do. So Instagram is definitely a great way to, like, I personally use Instagram a lot, and I just enjoy the aspect of being able to connect with people. And I mean, I'm passionate about rock climbing, so obviously all my content has to do with rock climbing, but it has allowed me to create a sense of community and meet so many new people, share and exchange different things with other creators, and overall just everyone growing together, you know? No one's trying to be above anyone else or anything, but kind of looking at each other as striving towards the same mindsets, but everyone having the same mindsets and having fun. So I use social media, and especially Instagram, because I like to share my passion, which is rock climbing, and hopefully just inspire others, motivate others to try and go after their goals, trying to achieve the things that they want to achieve, right? And I want everyone, no matter who they are, to be able to create just like I am, and be able to receive the same respect that I've definitely gotten from many of you. So thank you for that. Thank you for doing that, and I just hope that it spreads. Like, I hope all the kindness, all the great comments, I hope all of that spreads to more than just a few people or like your friend groups, but to anyone you see on the app. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video, not only to unbox this thing, but to have fun with it. So it's pretty cool. But yeah.